Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is unlocked and updated. This avoids unexpected menu differences. Once done, go to Settings and tap Keyboard. On newer iOS, Settings keyboard shows system options. If you plan to use a third-party keyboard, make sure the app is installed and briefly opened so permissions prompt appears. Now, tap Keyboards to view active layouts. You're taking control early, so the next steps modify layouts instead of chasing missing apps or hidden toggles. You'll add or customize keyboards here. Tap Add New Keyboard to pick an Apple layout or any installed third-party keyboard. Choose Language and Layout variant when offered because that determines key placement and symbols. Once added, tap Edit to reorder keyboards. The top one appears first when switching, and swipe left to delete any you no longer want. Make sure to grant full access only to trusted apps, since that enables advanced features. This stage shapes how you type every day. You finish by customizing appearance and behavior in the chosen keyboard app. Open it to pick themes, key size, haptic feedback, or layout spacing. These settings control look and feel. Then test in Notes. Switch keyboards using the globe icon or long press the emoji key to confirm order and design. If keys misalign or app fails, restart your iPhone, toggle the keyboard off and back on in Settings, and reinstall the keyboard app if necessary. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.